As he was eating, drinking,
This is getting scary. Drinking your program. Go ahead.
I said, no thanks guys, I'm not even thirsty. I'm not even thirsty for unicorn blood. But if I could have some magic
beans to grow a giant beanstalk up to the clouds to get those giant golden eggs.
Simba decided he didn't want to be friends with these unicorn-eating villains, so he decided to keep on walking to church and forget about the whole unicorn incident.
Too bad that religion. Go ahead.
Good secrecy. So, as they continued on their way, Simba realized he was still hungry. And even though he was walking with Nala, he realized that he could probably take a chomp out of her.
So he did. As Nala was dying on the ground.
Wow!
This is sad. What's so morbid?
Drinking blood, dying on the ground! You guys all fuck!
As Nala was dying on the ground withering in pain, she said, Simba, I am your mother. Surprised, he believed that he was actually a mother.
He started crying. It's a good thing I'm going to church, he said. I can confess the fact that I've just killed my own
Mother and my girlfriend.
Of course, by the time he got to church, he realized that Nala was playing a trick on him in her dying breath, and didn't really care that much for his mother. Anyways, and then he ate the guy that drank the blood.